of the True Crafting crew. So today I want to show you guys how to trace something in Silhouette Studio. If you have a Silhouette machine or Cameo machine, or you just use Silhouette to just design, this is the #1 thing that you absolutely need to learn how to do, is trace. So in order to do that, let's go to the World Wide Web. I'm going to go to Google real quick. So our search engine comes up. Okay, my bad, y'all. Type in Google. Be fast about this. Google. Now we're in Google. So I'm going to type in Frenchie because that is what I am looking for. And we are going to do a clip art. So whenever you're tracing something, you want to ask for a clip art or a silhouette image of whatever so that it can be traced properly. You're going to go to image. So we're going to do an image search of a Frenchie. Oh, they have a lot of cute Frenchies here. Which one do we want? I like him. I really like him. I like this. Which one do I want? Let me hurry up and find a Frenchie, y'all. Oh, him. Let's go to this one. Boom. Right click, copy image. Now we can go off of the World Wide Web, right click again, paste image. So now we have an image inside of our Silhouette Studio, and you see it has white around it. We need to trace this image. So the next thing that you need to do is go to the right hand side, and the fifth thing down is a butterfly. Click on the butterfly and hit select trace area. Your stylus is going to turn to like a little 4-way X. We are going to left click in the corner and drag all the way to the end. Boom, we have it there. The next thing you want to do is look at threshold. Threshold is right up under, well, you see it says threshold right before filters. And you're going to move the threshold and make sure everything is yellow properly. And we're going to hit trace. Once the image is traced, we are going to, we need to move this out the way. We need this. This is our trace design. I like to make my trace design a color just so I know what I'm cutting. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen.